I will take nothing from a shadowless man.
So I'm Matthew Bosley and I'm directing Peter Schlemiel.
You have no shadow, sir. In short, either you show me your shadow or hand me my release.
Peter Schlemiel is my own adaptation of a 19th century German novella by Adelbert von Chamisso. And it follows the story of an ordinary man who sells his shadow to the devil in exchange for endless fortune and fame and faces the bitter consequences. When I first read the story, I immediately recognised its potential for a very physical style because it's a very atmospheric story, it's very fairy tale-esque. It was written at a similar time that the Brothers Grimm were writing their folk tales. And so essentially I'm exploring these themes of social isolation, the race for success and power, all through a very physical style, which I think works to a very magical effect. It's physical, violent and intense.